Now let's discuss our use case, guys. On this basis of these actions, we will create one use case, guys, and our use case is here. You can see, guys, our use case is how to replace rupees to dollar from entire column in Excel using find or replace data table actions. So let's go to pad again and see how to do this use case, guys. So I am now on pad again, guys, and for our time saving I have already created a flow for this. Let me explain first and then see what is the result of this flow, guys. First I am using launch Excel action, guys, and after this I am using read from Excel worksheet action. After this I am using find or replace in data table action. As previous we have learned this action, guys, and after this action I am using write to Excel worksheet for writing our changes data to Excel spreadsheet, and after this I am using close Excel so that our open Excel is closed by this action. So first I am open this launch action, guys. Here you can see, guys, I am launching this Excel, guys. As you can see here, I am just saying you guys here is our product detail, guys. Here is the file name. Here you can see, guys, product name and price. Here you can see in price column section, guys, rupees symbol is available. So our use case is instead of rupees we will replace rupees to dollar. That is our use case, guys. So let's close this first, and after running this flow you can see, guys, and also our result is storing in this worksheet, guys. And see, let's run this flow and see what is the output of this flow, guys. See, after this I am just read this, I am using this activity, guys. See, I am using regex for finding text rupees and replace text to replace with dollar. And already I have told you about this action, guys. This action, all parameter I have already explained you, guys. So let me run first and see what is the output of this flow, guys. So I am running this flow. So your flow is running and your flow is executed successfully, guys. Let's go to Excel spreadsheet and see what is the output of this flow, guys. Here I am opening now. Now you can see, guys, here instead of rupees symbol, here our flow is replace rupees to dollar. So that is our agenda, guys. As you can see here, our use case is how to replace rupees to dollar from entire column in Excel using find or replace in data table action. So our use case is completed, guys. I hope you understood this code. So thank you for watching this video, guys. If you have any question or concern, just put down in a comment section so that our team is trying to resolve that question, guys.